Next again, this is not your boy, but the guy who put and we are at Ikubuato, Kaliro the Hustler, and Yamanabani.
Kimo Savage aka umkhulu wangokwakho ninawa ebakhulu wenu umkhulu webanina wenu Ntangas kosaluka bakhe kanjani.
Sure, Mamela Kimo. A few questions for you, ne?
Yeah.
Number one, in your opinion,
Yeah.
Kubani artist of Cape Town that is the most underrated?
The most underrated artist of Cape Town.
Sure.
There has to be Uraz, dog.
Uraz.
Yeah, Uraz, yeah.
Uraz number one.
Uraz number one. And number two, it has to be me.
It has to be you.
Yeah, it has to be me.
Sure. In your opinion,
yeah.
Which song is the hottest of Cape right now?
Song that is the hottest of Cape right now. As much as I do think about okay, it's a Kirisha la hottest kaya Inkosi Yamandebele, right? Sure. As much as I think it's a but you see, but Tiningham by Bravo Leroux is still dog. Still for like me. Her. Yeah, he's still that. Sure. Sure. Okay. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, I think that's the one.
Okay, Sidule.
Yeah.
Looking at the situation here, hip hop as Cape Town.
Okay.
If you know according to your opinion,
okay.
Ukubangaba indo no timba year short. Like you know,
okay, one thing that I short ngayo mna commercial dog.
Commercial.
We are not commercial. I feel like we are not commercial enough. If it's commercial, it's not enough.
Sure.
Yeah, but
sure.
and you know, short ngayo is having like yabona like with shows being booked, being there, you know, being like available for everything for your culture, dog. Otherwise, I think it really like it's going to the right direction.
Sure.
But move slow. I feel like it's move slow. Yeah,
we're not like tapping in the commercial side.
Yeah, it's typical cool commercial side.
Okay, that was Kimo Savage for you guys. Before Siva and Tela Uti Sikos, Obat Kalaba Sikos has never been this cool.
This Xhosa has never been this cool.
Mocho.